What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to trade NQ when it's not pulling back at all, bro. When it's creating 1,000 fair value gaps and not trading into none of them, bro. And it's just going higher and higher, and you just looking at the charts just in anxiety, bro. Just missing every bit of the move, bro, when it's running 300 plus points, bro, to your TP and you ain't getting none of it. I'm going to be showing you guys how to trade that market today. Now I'm saying I did catch a trade in today's market. And one thing I do want to point out, I don't have a shirt on right now, as y'all can see, because, bro, it is hot as fuck, bro. I don't got a fan right now or an AC because we just came from winter. And it's in the 70s, like our first 70s this spring, bro, and it's hot as hell. So I don't got a shirt. But not saying let's get into this video. You know what I'm saying? So to start off, bro, going into the day, one thing I really want to point out that's really important was you guys see this gap right here. That's new week. No, that's a new day opening gap. It's a big gap. And that's a PD array, right? Like a fair value gap. And one thing I like about today was that we ran previous day's low. If I take this away, y'all see we wick below previous day's low, so we took the sell side from previous day. You know what I'm saying? And when that happens, typically, when we take previous day's low and we see that we're super bullish going into the day, I'm likely wanting for price to go to previous day's high, which is right here. That was my buy side target for today. So now that y'all see the narrative that I have for today, I'm going to go down to a 1 hour chart and I'm going to give y'all some more narrative on why I was bullish for today and why I knew it was going to run like this. So we came and took out previous day's low on the hour chart. You see this, boom, took out previous day's low. And we have this range right here from high to low, okay? And the reason I picked this range instead of this high is because if I'm selling, if I'm in a sell program and I want to see price come take out these lows and come down and fill in this gap, then I don't want it to break this high because I would look at that as a shift in market structure. And it's a fair value gap right here in the premium of that range. So after we closed above that fair value gap at 8 p.m., at 8 a.m., we closed above it. That's an inversion fair value gap. So now I know that the sell side is not in my mind no more because we already inverted the 1 hour SIBI, right? So go down to a 15-minute chart. We have a fair value gap here. We hold the fair value gap. We have order block right here. We hold the order block, and this is around 9:15. So let me find 9:15, right? So since we already manipulated price in London, we came and took out that sell side. That was our manipulation. So I'm not looking for price to do no crazy manipulation after the opening. So after the opening, I didn't take a trade right here either, but I was just using this fair value gap to give me a read on price. So at the opening right here, this is 9:30. We created a fair value gap. And as you can see, the body stayed above the fair value gap and we was wicking inside. But after we came up, we came and tested the high end one more time and we have displacement. All right. And this is where a lot of you guys start getting scared, thinking that you're gonna miss the move because you see all these fair value gaps and they're not getting traded into. But take this note right here. One thing I've learned, bro, when the market is trading higher, and making 1,000 fair value gaps and not trading into them, it will trade into a fair value gap during the macro time, and that's going to be the fair value gap that you take. You know what I'm saying? So boom, we got a fair value gap tap right here. A lot of you guys would be scared to take this fair value gap, and to be honest, I didn't take this fair value gap either. A lot of you guys would be scared to take this fair value gap because you think it's going to come down and fill these. But if it did want it to come down and fill these fair value gaps, bro, it would have did it. It did not. You know what I'm saying? So you trade the fair value gap that it trades into. And as you can see, it holds price We don't trade below the fair value gap candle low, and then we trade higher off that. You know what I'm saying? Boom, we trade higher. And then we get another price run higher, right? And this is where I took my trade here. So you got another set of fair value gaps. You got a fair value gap right here, a fair value gap right here, and a fair value gap right here, right? At 10 a.m., I'm expecting price to hold a fair value gap because we still haven't reached our buy side target. So price at 10 a.m. dipped down into this fair value gap, traded higher, coming back down, respected the low at 10 o'clock. And then we got a nice price run down, up to our previous day's high. And as you can see, price is not trading down into these fair value gaps. So when it do trade into the fair value gap, that is your entry. That's your chance to get into the trade. You know what I'm saying? So that's how you trade these markets, bro. You have to literally get in the trade. You know what I'm saying? There's no point of you waiting. 1 second. All right, I'm back. It's literally so hot, bro. I had to get some air real quick. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, like I was saying, this market is something that you literally have to get into, bro. Every time, oh shit. Every time we come into a fair value gap, that's your time to get in. Fair value gap tap. Fair value gap tap. Fucking fair value gap tap. Come down into order block. Fair value gap. Fair value gap tap. You feel me? There were entries for you to get in, bro, but you can't be scared when it come into a fair value gap thinking it's gonna come all the way back down into these when we made one right here. We made one fucking right here. You can't be scared thinking it's gonna come down to those. Because if it did want to, it would have did it. And when that is happening, these are breakaway gaps. It's telling you that the market is running, is going. It's time for you to get the fuck in because that's what the market is telling you. That's why it's running so damn high because it's going. You think when you get in a trade, it's going to just stop and turn around? No, bro. It doesn't work like that. You know what I'm saying? So I hope you learned something from this video. This wasn't that long because it's pretty much self-explanatory. You know what I'm saying? Just get in the damn trade, bro. That's how you catch these markets. And to give y'all a little story, bro, I used to suck at trading these markets. I lost a lot in these markets, bro, because it's like, where the fuck do you get in at? And how do you trust it? You feel me? I'm not even good at trading these markets now, but I'm getting better. I'm improving. You feel me? I'm starting to catch moves in these markets where I wasn't catching none and actually losing money. Now I'm actually starting to make a little bit of money in these markets. But my plan is to be in down here and catch all of this. You feel me? That's what I'm working on for the future. I hope you're working on that too. You know what I'm saying? But that's it for this video. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel. And I'm going to see y'all in the next one. We out.